In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a finished document and print it with confidence, without wasting paper or losing your formatting. First, make sure your document is truly ready. Give it a quick pass for spelling and grammar, confirm your headings and spacing look consistent, and check that images and tables aren't cut off between pages. It helps to view your document at 100% zoom to get a realistic sense of size. If you're using page numbers or headers and footers, verify they appear where you expect. Google Docs saves automatically, but pause for a second to ensure your last edits are synced before you proceed. Next, head to the top left corner and open the File menu. From there, choose Print. This opens a preview, so you can see exactly how your pages will come out. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use the standard print shortcut on your device to reach the same place. Now customize your print details. Start by choosing the destination printer. If you want a digital copy instead, select the PDF option as the destination. Pick which pages to print, either all pages or a specific range if you only need certain sections. Choose color or black and white, and decide whether you want the document printed on both sides if your printer supports duplex printing. Confirm the paper size and orientation. For wide tables or designs, landscape can make content more readable. Adjust margins or scale if you need to fit more content on a page without shrinking it too much. If your document includes headers, footers, or background graphics, check those options so they print as intended. Take a moment to scan the print preview. It's your best safeguard against surprises. When everything looks right, click Print. If you're connected to a physical printer, make sure it's online, has paper, and enough ink or toner. Give it a moment to process your job. Large documents may take a little longer. If you selected a PDF destination, you'll be prompted to save the file, choose a clear name and a location you'll remember, then finish saving. And that's it. You're done. You finalized your document, open the print menu, customize the important details, and sent it to print. If you plan to share widely, consider printing a single test page first to verify colors, margins, and alignment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your neatly printed